What's up, guys, and welcome back to the bull ring. We are in a crazy time. What do we have going on with the stock market? We're falling, we're going up, we're falling, and we're doing it at $5 increments. Are you kidding me? On SPY, just like nothing. But I want to show you something with Apple, guys. This is getting very bearish. Look at that. We do have a crossover on Apple 30-minute, and up until now, since we had the signal last Friday, guys, we got this signal for Apple on the 30-minute, and we've dropped about $16 in 6 days. Okay, this is looking ugly for Apple. Apple is losing its lunch. What's going on with them? And like I always tell you guys, let's look at the big picture, guys. And here we have Apple. Apple had some support right in this area, guys. And of course, like I said, they're losing their lunch. And then they had support right in this area, and they actually bounced off of that, guys, which is right next to the 50. But we have something that we are not looking at, and I'm going to show you. If I put up Fibonacci, guys, you're going to see that we still have room to fall. So Apple is closed right around the 243-ish area. And if we come down to the actual bottom of the golden zone, guys, we still have about another 6.5 to fall with Apple. Now, did you guys buy your puts on Apple? Did you see this? If you did, put it down in the comments below. I want to know, guys. And remember, we are still not out of it. So if you're playing Apple, okay, I want you to pay attention to the actual volume, guys. We do have 1, 2, 3, 4 days of nothing but sell-offs, guys. Look at that. Apple's just been super bullish, and like I said, they can still come back down, but they do have solid support here. This is the 50. Let's see if they hold it tomorrow. If you are holding Apple puts, let me know, guys, because you are a rock star if you got some. All right, so let's look at why the market jumped up, guys. All last week, SPY is following Apple, and now it's following Nvidia. Microsoft makes no sense. Of course, we always say what the market might be, what organized activity, or if you want to call it, manipulate it, right? But let's see what happened today, guys. We opened up here. You can see we gapped up. All of a sudden, everybody's trying to buy Nvidia. Okay, so Nvidia gapped up, came back down under the clouds, guys, and we had a nice, amazing jump. Looks like we went up about $3. Very nice change there. If you jump into some calls, if you hung on because you have the cloud and you know, hey, if that doesn't go one candle under the cloud, I'm going to stay in. Good for you. And then, of course, that happened here. You got your put signal and we went down. Well, let's just count this out, guys. I am going to measure this drop, and that was $2.45. Now, when we got under the cloud and came up to the top, we went $3.15. If you hung in there, you got another 50 cents out of it, guys. Okay, so today was just a simple day with Nvidia. I mean, look at this next move up. Okay, if you hung in there and you sold at the end, you got another $2, guys. So you had almost $8 to $10 moves here on Nvidia, which was very nice. Now let me show you something else. Now, what about these guys, huh? Microsoft tried to do the same thing, guys, and it ended up losing the battle. It didn't do what Nvidia did. It popped up, came back down, and of course it did go up for a while, but then the rest of the day was just a sell-off. So if you did what I did and you jumped in puts here, then you would have saw a $9 drop, guys. Can you believe that? It fell $9. Okay, a lot of people don't know that Microsoft goes up and down. It's got a big ATR, so you can do well with contracts, guy. Look at this, $3 from the bottom of the cloud, guys, when it crossed over. $3 there, and of course we had the $9 move from the top to the bottom. And then of course here we had a small move up, guys. So what is Microsoft going to do tomorrow? Well, let's see if it's really going to play out or this is going to get pumped. Check this out. On the daily time frame, guys, right in here, check it out. We fell under the 200 on Microsoft daily chart, guys. So we are officially starting a death cross, but it looks like they recovered and they might continue to go back up tomorrow. Okay. Now I've been shorting Microsoft since the top here. I got in early. Okay. I teach this in my courses, guys, if you want to learn how to do this. And of course, jumped in more when I got the put signal, guys. I teach you to swing this. I teach you to buy yourself some time. The average time you want to buy for these things is about 7 to 14 days. If you're a new trader, you want to buy 4 weeks out. So let's take a look at this from this point here, guys. From this point here, okay, Microsoft has fallen $18.69. Of course, like I told you, I jumped into Microsoft right up in here. It was right at the top, actually, on the 17th. Okay. And Microsoft fell $34 since that day. Can you imagine if you bought a $60 or a $70 contract that expires in 10 to 14 days? How much money would you have made, guys? Well, I'm glad you asked, guys, and I'm going to show you something. I have a course that teaches you how to do this. Okay, these are called strangles, and you can see the purchase date here was on December the 17th. Okay, and of course these expired on me, so now I'm back into Microsoft with some new ones, and I will show you how those do. But this was a 2-week deal for me, guys, and check it out. Call. Okay, I let the calls burn, and look at that, $58.65. Okay, these are 50 versus 50. You could have got 10 versus 10, and you would have been up 2K, guys. Even if you would have got 1 and 1, you would have been up $226, guys. Easy money. Guys, links below. You need these courses. They're on sale, 80% off. Come on, is this not worth 80% off, guys? Go grab them. And you guys need this indicator, guys, for swings. If you're having problems in the stock market, guys, you need my alerts. Come on over to the Bull Ring, guys. It's for free. Check that out. I called this out to my team and I told them enter for best results here. But if you're an experienced trader, you're going to look at these blocks down here. Okay, you're going to say, wow, there is a lot of buying power. We got our call signal, and guess what happened? Boom, since we got in, guys. I mean, check that out. It doesn't get any easier than that. You need this indicator. This indicator is going to go up in price, guys. It's going up in price for 2025. I'm still holding a special for it. You need to come grab it, okay? And there you go, guys. That is what I am currently up on. Chevron, guys, Chevron Corporation. I also bought Shell because they run together, guys, okay? And this was based off of this signal right here. Guys, you need this indicator. Look at that, 204%. Can you imagine that? All right, so this is Tesla, guys. Let me show you a little bit about swing trading, guys. Okay, this is a put I grabbed the other day when Tesla fell under this little pink line, okay? This pink line on the indicator tells me that the strength on the way down or up, depending where it's going, but this cloud tells me the strength is headed downward. So I jumped into this put, guys, right in there. Check it out. How easy is that? And I teach you how to do this in the courses, and then I call this out. If you like playing Tesla, I will call this out for you. Now you might be wondering, okay, what about this signal up here, coach? Did you jump into a put there because that was a flip just like it was up here? And my answer to that, guys, is absolutely. Look at that. Just one contract, guys. One contract. I use the indicator. I get my cloud on the 30-minute, guys. I don't recommend you do this contract on a lower time frame, and I'll tell you why in the courses when you guys go purchase them, guys. You can't go wrong. The courses are only like $197. You can't go wrong. They pay for themselves. Look at that. The cloud tells you to enter, and this is what you get back, okay? Now, do these clouds look like it's hard to get in and out? No, absolutely. Imagine if you bought down here with this big, long green cloud, guys. Guys, you need the courses. You need this indicator, and you're going to have much better time in the market, and you're gonna have such a nice life, guys. Let me tell you something. I already did all the heavy lifting, guys. Okay, you can get this and you can get that. Now, what I do recommend, and I always push my students to do, is once you're winning here, keep doing the same thing. Don't go to Twitter and somebody said, oh, this is going to the moon, and then you'll blow that money. You keep playing the clouds, guys, and you're going to do well. You just got to be patient, stay on the courses, stay in the bull ring with me, guys. I'm leaving you a link below. The bull ring is for free. Jump into the chat room with us, watch us trade live, watch us post our charts. I'll give you the alerts, and you'll be able to jump into some of these here. All right, guys, I want to give you one last swing that we are in as a group in the bull ring, guys. Okay, look at that call signal there, guys. This happened on Monday, and about 2 p.m. I called it out to the team. Okay, and we jumped in, guys. This is easy. We've been writing this thing up since down here. Look at that was our target 1. This was our target 2. We pulled back, but target 3 for me is 231, guys, and we're getting close. We have a big gap to fill here, and we are still bullish on the stock. And this is the current percentage that I am up, guys, on LNG. Again, this indicator pays for itself, guys. The courses teaches you how to use it. If you're a full-time worker, you're a full-time student, you need this. You get the text message on your phone. You go over and look at the chart on your phone. You place the order. 2 days later, 3 days later, 9 days later, depending on how long you're holding, this is where you will be. Okay. If you're doing it with someone else teaching you that, oh, I'm buying above this level, oh, I'm buying below this level, guys, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. They have to go over there and just mark off where there was resistance, where there was support. And guess what? You're guessing now. This indicator gives you momentum. It gives you colors. Okay. And it also gives you the signals, guys. Buy a call. Okay. Buy a put. It's up to you, guys. It's on sale. It's going to go up. If I were you, I would try it for 30 days, guys. If it doesn't go well, guess what? I'll pay for the next 30 days. And then I will coach you one-on-one. We can take trades together in the bull ring, guys. Look at that. Doesn't get easier than that. So remember, you have links below, guys. And if you found value in this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified the next time I put a video out. Until the next video, guys, I am wishing you a green day tomorrow.